So, Craig will be eating this lovely Finch favorite birdseed. Craig, what do you project this birdseed tastes like?
It ought to be good, man. It's exotic, apparently, so this must be good.
Big exotic.
Gotta
Come on,
trust
Greg.
my senses about this. Gotta, sorry for the hold up. Alright, boys.
Oh,
Alright, we'll take a swallow.
yeah, show the camera the handful.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
Holy.
wow, no, that's a lot of
That's one
birdseed.
portion.
Buddy.
Cheer it up, how's it taste? There you have it, folks. This is what happens when you eat Finch favorite birdseed.
Like
Really?
normal sunflower, like the ones you get at the store. And there's nothing. It was a very big letdown, I'll say. And yeah, I'm sorry.
Well, thank you for your contribution to the scientific community.
Yeah, I know. I was being experimented on, but it was worth it. I'm very glad for my contributions to the scientific community. You're welcome.
All right, people. Peace and stuff.
Right.